Alright, here is a quick lesson on dividing with fractions. So in 5th grade, this is as crazy as we get. We either do a whole number by a unit fraction or a unit fraction by a whole number. And a unit fraction is a fancy name for a fraction with a numerator of 1. Okay, so let's look at 4 divided by 1/4. Remember, division's basically repeated subtraction. So one way of viewing this is 4 divided by 1/4, and then how many 1/4 could we subtract out? We can do this over and over again until we have nothing left over. So that's one way of looking at it, but I'm going to show you the other way, which is using a model. And I think it's just better for you guys visually. So let me show you. So we can create our 4. This could be our 4 cups of sugar or whatever. And then every 1/4 cup of sugar can be a cookie. So how many cookies could we make with 4 cups of sugar? Well, let's see. Break each of these into fourths, and we'll see how many 1/4 there are in 4 whole. Let's see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. So 4 divided by 1/4 is 16. So when you see that whole number at the beginning of the problem there, 4, remember that goes in your division doghouse, and you divide it by 1/4. How many 1/4 we could subtract out, or how many 1/4 groups of 1/4 there is. And looking at it as a picture, which I think could be helpful for you on your practice problems this week. Get your whole number. You can think of it as a story like I did, 4 cups of sugar, and every 1/4 is cookies, and we could bake 16 cookies with 4 cups of sugar. So the other way that we divide with fractions in 5th grade is having your fraction first. So this is 1/3 divided by 5. So it's different. So now we have 1/3 of something, and we can see how many groups of 5 we have. And spoiler alert, we can't even subtract out 1/5. So we would set it up like this. That 1/3 goes in the division doghouse, and we'd be subtracting out 5s, and you'd be like, whoa. So that's a tip there, that your answer is going to be pretty small. So definitely a model for this one, and I'll show you what it looks like. First thing, we want to draw out our dividend, our first number, so our 1/3. So this is what our 1/3 would look like. And we would just have a third of it. And we're going to break it into a group of 5. So let's see what that would look like. I'll show you here. Color do I want to use? I'll use yellow. So we're going to break this into 5 equal pieces here. Let's see. See if I can do it. 2, 3, there's 4 and 5. Alright, so our answer, show you where our answer is right here. Our answer is right here. What is that size of that one group? So we have one piece, that's our numerator. We have one piece, and that piece is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1/15. So when you take 1/3 and you break it into 5 equal pieces, like let's say you have 1/3 of a cookie, and you're going to share that with 5 people, they're going to get a pretty small piece. You're just going to get one piece that's a 15th. So 1/3 divided by 5 is 1/15. I'll show you one more real quick, because I know that one could be tricky. Here, I'll keep it 1/2 divided by 3. So we have half a pizza left over. We have half a pizza. So I'm going to draw out my dividend, that first number. So there's our half. And if we share that with 3 people, if we go ahead and share that with 3 people, here is our answer right here. What would one person get? One person would get one piece. That's a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One thing that's a 6th. Alright. So there you go. That'll help you on your practice pages this week. Go ahead and watch this as many times as you need. Fast forward, rewind.